True. That power, eh?
Sure hope Tyr's here.
Atreus, we seek information,
I know. Stop acting like I'm trying to start a war.
yet you do not say otherwise.
Brothers, maybe we can lay this to rest a bit, eh?
No. I want to start a war. Let's keep doing just that.
You lift on your side, I will lift on mine.
Lift what? Oh.
Heavier than I thought. Thanks. Let's keep moving.
Shut the fuck up, I'll do what I want. Ain't opening that, huh? Oh, you definitely should. Oh, yes. Unless they're actually good, then I won't rage at them. Frostpunk 2 was good. Well, it was decent for one playthrough. Kinda weird though. The end game of that game kinda just invalidates half its mechanics. I know it isn't. I just felt like I'm saying it. Oh no. Looks like another big fight. What the fuck is he doing here?
Got something else for you.
Sindri!
What is it?
Since you're currently lacking a light source, sorry, and have no way of seeing exactly what untold horrors lurk in the dark, these will help. Okay, back to your exploring now. Off with you.
Thanks, Sindri. Hey, wait. What do you mean by untold horrors?
Did you fucking teleport or what? Oh wow.
Watch your left! Grim, perch them high! Knock them down!
Easy.
Behind you, brother! Behind you! Incoming!
Certainly could be a bit more damage.
I think this is it. This is the mine.
There's nothing we can do with that.
However, we're ill-equipped to do anything with it right now.
Cringe.
Look out!
Oh, not more of these.
Well, looks like the official entrance to the mine is blocked.
It's gonna shoot.
There's gotta be
way?
another... Nice. Not a dead end. Come on, let's see where this goes. Oh, these guys again?
I know, it's very creative.
Where are they all coming from?
From somewhere.
I think I can hear the water too.
Slow down, Atreus. Take care.
Today's Monday, right?
Ready.
Yeah. Oh
Right
no.
where those wreckers were coming from.
They will overwhelm you quickly. Stay close.
I hope you can make that jump.
October, November. That's not much
It's
longer.
another one of those wooden troughs.
It's the next month or the
Wonder
month
how the
after
dwarves got
that.
us stuff.
Aye. Might be the great motivator of convenience. Why do the work when you can get the wet stuff to do it for you?
True. That power, eh?
Sure hope Tyr's here.
Atreus, we seek information,
I know. Stop acting like I'm trying to start a war.
yet you do not say otherwise.
Brothers, maybe we can lay this to rest a bit, eh?
No. I want to start a war. Let's keep doing just that.
You lift on your side, I will lift on mine.
Lift what? Oh.
Heavier than I thought.